Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and today we've got a retro camcorder that we're gonna film the whole vlog on, and yeah, so we'll switch up to that right now. Alright guys, we're on the camcorder. Gee, the quality's so dope. Let's see how far we can zoom. Alright, see this leaf? What? I've got a little spy. Shee. Oh my god. Well guys, this is the world's first heel whip. So the year is 2002. World's first! Oh my god! Yo guys, this is the hill stunt.
Walk of shame, back up the hill. Just kidding.
Dude, that was so gnarly, dog. You see me, bro? I was like zooming down the hill, man. Bro, my wheels almost caught fire, dude. Oh, they're hot, man. They're hot. Feel them, dog. Feel them. Bro, it's so hot right now. That was so
Alright guys, we're back. We got lollies from the local dairy. And the weather today, guys, is just extraordinary. Got the young cherry tree over there. What else do we got? We got some civilians of Caddy Caddy. Alright guys, comment down below which lolly I should eat first. Yo guys, just thought I'd show you my gumball. It's nice and blue. Kayla's got a gumball too. That was a good one. Whoa!
I can do them way.
Sheesh, got the garlic bread, got the suubwe, got the Kayla and the 7-Up. Sure guys, currently we're at the Caddy Caddy Haiku.
Wait, hill bum, that's hill Jaden.
Guys, I'm Jaden Paxton, and this is called Shredding the Gnar.
We're returning at 2004 to Caddy Caddy Haiku Walk. Dude, is that the new Game Boy 9000?
Yeah, man.
What? How'd you get that? That's rare, dog.
Man, I worked at the gas station for like
What?
100 hours a day. Why is it so zoomed in? Boop.
It's a fish.
Holy shit.
It's a big fish.
They fighting.
No, they had a drag race, dude. Had a boat race. Yeah, me and Jim whooped this up and would whoop this bad boy up.
Whoop this bad boy.
Yeah, pretty intelligent creation. Oh, I miss Sammy. Sammy used to swim in the river with us. That was dead. Sammy got eaten by a lobster. Oh, watch me rip down the stick.
What? Ouch.
Hello. Probably like those damn kids, man.
Now throw it in the ocean.
In the ocean.
In the river.
Fat ocean, dude. Ready?
Yeah. Wow, man.
High impact.
It's just chilling.
It's drowning!
Save it, Jaden, it's drowning!
Go, go! Take one for the team! Kayla, yo man. I love her. I love her not. I love her. I love her not. I love her. I love her not.
It's gonna take ages!
I love her. I love her not. I love her. I love her. I love her not. I love her. I love her not. I love her not. I love her.
Good.
That's the point. Alright, let's go.
Wait, why it not do 360?
Freeze.
Ready? I'm gonna run on you.
Should we do a Twitter dance?
You have to come into the frame.
Yeah, I'm in the frame. I was.
I'm gonna jump on you.
Yeah, go.
Ah!
It's like here.
I don't have enough strength to jump. Let me do it again.
Ah!
No! No! Okay, I need to do it one more time.
Alright, one more.
One more.
That's all you get. Keep the legs up.
They are!
Oh, they're not. You're letting them fall.
Jaden! No!
No!
I forgot that I was wearing white jeans.
Ah!
Okay, Jaden.
You ready?
I'm putting it in your ear.
There's Ben. It's Bones. Ben, run! Run! Ben, do something cool. Go, Ben. Hi, Ben.
Got up
How long have you been skateboarding, Ben?
like 8 months now.
8 months now. Are you enjoying it?
Would recommend.
Because it's fun and you get to meet people and it's fun.
Alright guys, so that was me vlogging on a retro camcorder. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, do whatever you want. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time and have a good one.